Welcome to 1001 Job. Why? Let me tell you. 2025 went off to a great start. MLK weekend was a perfect time for our first volunteer work weekend. During the October work weekend, when we steamed up the engine for the first time after the stable inspection, the engineers had noted a couple of items which they really wanted to address. The Carson, Colorado Railway Organization, however, not only maintains, loves and operates the Slim Princess number 18, nope, we also have various other rolling stock, as you may have seen in the other videos. Thus, MLK weekend quickly became the weekend of 1001 jobs. Some of those we'll highlight in this video, as they all more or less led up to the warm-up of the engine. But did the engine actually steam and operate? Stay tuned to the end of the video and you will learn about it. Right here you see some of the volunteers paint Boxcar SP6 in the High Park right off of 395. You may recall the critter from some of the videos, and yes, it needed some TLC too this weekend. As you see in the background, engine 18 is still inside the barn and it's Saturday afternoon now, but there's other interesting stuff going on around Boxcar 1C.
This joint brings this end sill and the side sill together and gives the car the structural integrity. But there is a bolt, one of the down rods comes through here, and there's another bolt for this stirrup, and then there's another bolt for a grab iron. And because of all those holes, moisture is able to get back in there and rot all this out. So I'm building a splice.
Have anything to do with these?
Even the track on which Slim Princess 18 is running needed some attention as well. The Owens Valley weather, with its dry, arid climate, lots of sun and still some cold, a little bit of moisture, does require track maintenance. Saturday evening went and Sunday morning came, and with Sunday morning also came the engine out of the barn and the warm-up started. The warm-up of such old locomotives, she is over 100 years old, does take finesse and lots of patience. As the engine was readied and warmed up during the morning hours, lunch hours, afternoon hours, we all went about the several hundred jobs that are still left to do. We even found time to help the Eastern California Museum clean the yard a little bit. The paint on the boxcar had dried, and now it was time to add the placards in a bright white paint. Chris and I had fun, and several of the volunteers came to check on us to make sure we did it right. The Sunday morning hours had been rather frigid. However, by afternoon, the sun had warmed up Owens Valley to a balmy 60s, and it was perfect timing to give Engine 18 her well-deserved bath. She got all prettied up, and as you see, she was getting warm and started steaming.
Slack on the hose now. All right, lean it down a little on that other side. Excellent.
Most of us, we had finished our job and were anxiously waiting to see her steam again and chuck up the hill. The sun left us and darkness came. Did she steam? You guessed it. This is where we will pick up in our next video. Thanks for watching. Please share, please comment, please like. Thanks a lot.